Oh wow, here's a magical princess vampire thing. Oh my goodness. Wow, here I am trying to be beautiful and confused. I put so many film grain color things on this thing you can't even see the makeup look. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. There is snow in my boots and I am freezing. I'm going to show you how to do this Elsa makeup look. Hi guys, this is Editing Lauren telling you I am aware that this does not look like Elsa one bit. It kind of just looks like a pretty frozen, my sister called it a snake. I'm like, it does not look like a snake, but I tried to make something cute. I think it looks cool, so enjoy the video. And y'all are lucky in like LA and Florida and warm places during quarantine because this is So yeah, let's get started to do this cute makeup look. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. We are going to start with some foundation, of course. Little pump on the hand, like so. And we are going to make this Elsa makeup look. Once my foundation's done, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. And put that on my face. Yep. We are ready for some contouring. Next, we're gonna go in with this super old contouring kit and chisel out them cheekbones. I love this one because it came with this little tiny brush. Oh my goodness, pink and sparkly bean, here I am. And now we are going to start on the eyeshadow. I should probably have done eyeshadow first though, because that would have made more sense. But anywhoosie, so we've got lots of fun color palettes. Let's see, I need to make a decision, you guys. Oh my goodness. I also got this. This is new. So, we've got this palette. But we're looking for more Elsa Icy Queen look. So maybe we'll just use the pink shimmery shade. And we've got this palette. If you guys would like to see a review on this palette, I know it's a little late, but I can. This one doesn't have many blues, so I don't think I'll be using that one. But of course, we'll be using Jawbreaker. So, let's go ahead in with an eyeshadow brush. Ooh. So I think what I'm gonna do for Elsa, for this Elsa makeup look, is I'm gonna kind of do like a thing. You'll see. So I'm just gonna start building with the eyeshadow. Just light blue. Now this looks probably whack right now, but just wait. Wow, this looks like actually kind of cool. Like, I'm impressed with myself. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go in, maybe I should go in with this Urban Decay Moon Dust and add the most important part, duh, glitter. Okay. What do we think? Looks pretty interesting. Once again, I just kind of wing these and be artistic. So yeah. And now I'm gonna go in with mascara and eyeliner. Yep. I wonder what else I can add to this. Probably get some of my white mascara here and add some snowflakes. Yep. I think for the final touch, I'm gonna do white for the lips. Looks pretty interesting to me. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. My boots are still filled with snow because I filmed this at the same time I filmed the intro. Oh my god, I gotta go inside. But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful look. And I will see you all later. Bye! Ugh. I don't know if that was worth it.